Ever get that tickly, unstoppable itch in your nose, and bam, you sneeze out of nowhere? Here's what's happening. When tiny irritants like dust, pollen, or even bright sunlight hit nerve endings inside your nose, your brain freaks out and sends an emergency message to blast the invaders out. The sneeze reflex is like your body's built-in bug zapper, launching air at up to 100 miles per hour. Sometimes, just thinking about sneezing can set it off. Yep, your brain is that suggestible. Next time you sneeze, know your body's just hitting the eject button.